Storage tips. How should I store leftover hummus? Flavor variations. Can I add other flavors to my hummus? Serving suggestion. Keto cauliflower hummus recipe. Keto cauliflower hummus is a delicious, low-carb alternative to traditional hummus. It's perfect for those on a keto diet or anyone looking to enjoy a healthy, weight-loss-friendly snack. By using cauliflower instead of chickpeas, this hummus offers a unique twist on a classic favorite without sacrificing taste or texture. Rich in nutrients, cauliflower is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Low in calories. With its low-calorie content, cauliflower is an excellent choice for weight management and healthy eating. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of cauliflower support overall health and can help prevent chronic diseases. Ingredients needed: cauliflower tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, cumin, salt, pepper. Begin by thoroughly washing the cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower into evenly sized florets to ensure consistent cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Spread cauliflower florets evenly on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden and tender. Roasting enhances the flavor and texture, making it perfect for blending. Combine the roasted cauliflower with the following ingredients: tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, cumin, salt, pepper. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Add salt and pepper for flavor. Enhance with lemon juice for a tangy kick.